Hi guys, welcome to my beauty channel where I explore with you the wonderful world of beauty treatments, compare the professional beauty products and share tips and tricks that will make your life 100 times easier. My name is Victoria and I'm a lash and brow expert and trainer for London Lash Pro. And today I have for you a really interesting video because I will compare two most popular brow henna brands to see how well they stain the skin and dye the hair. I will also check how well these products last. I will talk about the efficiency of both products, so how much product do you need to use per treatment, what is the consistency and how smooth is the application. I will use my own eyebrows, so wish me luck. FYI, if you use the brow henna for the very first time, always remember about the patch test. Henna is a product that is highly allergenic, so patch test is mandatory. If this is your first time visiting my channel, don't forget to subscribe because you don't want to miss on the weekly content I have for you. Okay, so let's do it. And the brands I'm going to talk about today is Brow Henna or BrowXenna by Levchuk in Frosty Chestnut, number 5, and SoHenna in Cafe Mocha shade, also number 5. SoHenna has a range of 7 different shades. BrowXenna gives us 10 different shades, 5 for brunettes and 5 for blondes. SoHenna comes in this cute little jar, and inside you can find 3 grams of product. BrowXenna has this little plastic bottle with 10 milliliters of product inside. Both brands have the same price, which is £24.99, and the product is quite easily accessible once open. From the day of opening, BrowXenna will last you for 12 months when SoHenna only 6. So far I think BrowXenna is more economical, but let's see how much product I will actually need to dye my eyebrows. To mix SoHenna powder, I'm using just warm boiling water. You can also use distilled water, but I find warm boiling water is working just fine. I use half a spoon of the product and add 6 to 7 drops of water. Mix it all together for a couple of minutes until all crystals dissolve. This is very important, so make sure the henna has a smooth and creamy consistency, otherwise you might not achieve the desired result. Now I repeat the whole process with brow henna powder. The product leaflet guidance suggests to use brow henna mineral water for better result, so that's what I'm going to use instead of boiling water. Brow henna definitely takes a little bit longer to dissolve and has more watery consistency compared to SoHenna that is quite thick and creamy. I scrub my eyebrows with the brow shampoo and just regular silicone brush. You can also use a brow scrub if you want. You can find a list of all products I used today under the video, and remember to use 10% discount code if you buy from London Lash Pro website. Now is the time to contour my eyebrows. My eyebrows have defined shapes, so I don't really need to measure them, but if I was doing the treatment for one of my clients, I would definitely spend more time making sure both eyebrows are symmetric and even. If you need a separate video explaining how to correctly measure and draw eyebrows, let me know in the comments and I will gladly do one for you. On the first eyebrow, I will use SoHenna and apply the product starting from the tail, as I like this part to be strongly defined. I put quite thick layer of product to completely cover the brow hair and skin and leave it for 20 minutes until dry. Time for brow henna. The instruction says to apply at least 2 to 3 layers for best long-lasting results, and I will put 3 layers today. After 2 to 3 minutes, I'm adding a second layer, and the third layer after approximately 10 minutes. After applying the third layer, I actually ran out of product. I like an ombre effect on my eyebrows, so I remove some of the product from the top 2 minutes before end of time. Right, so this is the final result, and as you can see, both eyebrows are nicely defined. but the one I use BrowXenna on has slightly deeper color and I think the coverage is stronger. I'm definitely happy with both products and they both have pros and cons. SoHenna has a better consistency and is easier to dissolve, and it doesn't require another product to mix it with. I also love the packaging and the fact that it comes in glass jar. SoHenna is also very efficient. Less than half a spoon will easily last you to cover both eyebrows. With BrowXenna you will definitely need to use more product because you need to put 3 layers if you want to stain the skin and not leave patchy eyebrows. BrowXenna was a little bit harder to dissolve and you have to use BH mineral water to mix the henna with. I tried before with boiling water and unfortunately the effect wasn't the same. But like I mentioned before, the price for Brow Henna mineral water is very reasonable, so definitely worth buying if you decide to use this product. Both products has natural ingredients and nice ashy finish, so they don't leave this orange undertone, but now the choice is yours. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you have any questions or comments about today's video. Of course, don't forget to leave a like, or if you didn't like, leave a dislike and subscribe. You can also follow my Instagram Victoria_London Pro. Thank you again for watching and I hope to see you again next week. Ciao!